Thanks for watching this in QC. Click the subscribe button and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing good and taking care of yourself. In this video, we are going to see how to make this dot mandala on stone. Believe me, this is very easy to make and you don't need any kind of tools to make this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to use this round stone for mandala. I have already cleaned it and it's completely dried. While choosing stone, ensure its surface is plain. Apply acrylic blue color on the stone. If required, you can apply another layer of blue color. Let it dry completely. For dots, I am going to use toothpicks, matchstick, Qtip and tip of pencil. I am going to use multiple acrylic colors. I prefer liquid based colors so that we don't have to mix water in it. Now let's start dotting. For practice purpose, you can try to do dots on any blank paper. I know in starting it will look difficult, but it's really very easy. Don't put pressure on your tools and your dots will be perfect. Even if any dots get spoiled, don't worry about it. Just wipe it out carefully using tissue paper and apply base color on it. And once it is dried, you can again apply dots on it. You can definitely use dotting tools if you have, but if not, you can use these easily available things at home. And our beautiful dot mandala is ready. To protect this, you can use Mod Podge, resin or even transparent nail paint will work. If you like this video, please click on like button and share your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care and stay safe.